happy.
The Meghalaya government today launched several key initiatives in the education sector to mark the National Science Day celebrations. In line with this, Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma launched the Queen's Gambit New Era in chess education that offers lessons and puzzles to hone one's skills. Meghalaya is one of the few states in the country that promotes chess education. Another initiative launched by the government is Meghalaya Star 30, guiding aspirations for NEET, JEE to provide support to the medical and engineering aspirants. The other was the Pulse, that stands for Promoting, Understanding and Learning Science Education. The government also launched other programs to promote digital and virtual learning. In a speech, the Education Minister stressed the need to encourage and promote science education in the state. Sangma also announced that from the next academic session, mathematics and science will be made compulsory.
I have experienced different number of science teachers which are brilliant. I want to encourage science teachers today. We apply different ideas and techniques to get the result. One thing is we are simple, we call it Hindi, I don't know whether my Hindi is proper or not. We have a call Ek Takka Barwana formula. I don't know, 25% out of 100, right? True? I don't know. So, what happened is, we apply different formula to get the same result. But there are some formula which is very difficult to understand for the students. But there are many brilliant teachers who apply different ideas to get the same result.
BJP legislator from South